Welcome to RestoredLifeAfter.com. We're honored and truly humbled that you're here. Come back daily and explore a growing library of true stories and daily thoughts from Martin Luther King Jr. to Elvis Presley. Stories that don't just inform you, they move you and build you. Just below, you'll find our Restored Weekly videos. Always uplifting, always real, always meant to help you through life. You'll also discover buried truths, powerful insights, and things you may not know but need to hear. And our daily thought videos, short, direct guidance for your everyday life. Take a moment to check out our all-new premium restored apparel, designed with style and created with purpose. When you wear it, you represent something real. And don't forget, enter your name and email for our weekly encouragement. No spam, no noise. Just truth and a chance to win free apparel every month. Thank you again for being here. We'll see you again very soon. This is Restored Life After.